Hi everybody, David Dilling here on behalf of Markzware, and we have some very exciting news today. OmniMarkz SE 2026 is now out. What's very important about this release, we have a Mac version already, but now in the Windows version we've added Microsoft Publisher support. So you can take your .pub files and convert them to whatever you need. And this is very important because Microsoft Publisher is being discontinued, end of life in October of this year. Actually, in May, Microsoft 365 is coming out, and there's a lot of rumors that maybe Publisher will already be taken out of the package. It's going to be totally unavailable, the application, anymore. So all your .pub files need to be migrated. There's a lot of people going to or Adobe InDesign or Microsoft Publisher to Affinity. We can see that based on our surveys and various videos we already have online. They're getting a lot of views, and we're getting a lot of questions from Microsoft Publisher users. Can you help me transition my .pub files into something else? We also have Markz Portal online to help you get your .pub files into Canva even, as well as one-off options for Publisher to InDesign and Publisher to Affinity and other options as well. But today we're going to show you OmniMarkz SE for getting not only your Publisher files, but Adobe InDesign, QuarkXPress, your PDFs, your .a Illustrator files, your .psd files, and convert them into something else. Even take your Affinity files and convert them into something else. So today's demo will be more specifically on .pub files into Adobe InDesign or Affinity. Let's go check it out. All right, so here we are in the Windows machine. Here's our OmniMarkz. It's very easy to install. Once installed, you just could fire it up, and you get this window right here. Very, very simple interface, but very effective. We have years of experience doing file conversions, literally over 30 years. You can create IDML, and IDML is what's used to open the converted file in these other applications. And you have various options. You can replace or recreate missing images when possible and link to the low res. And we can even open IDML in a specific application such as Affinity Publisher, which is what we're going to do now. So we can take a .pub file here, and we can drop it on this section of OmniMarkz. You can drop any of the files like it says there: InDesign, QuarkXPress, PDF, Microsoft Publisher, Affinity, Illustrator, Photoshop, etc. Just drop it right here, and there it goes. It's that easy. Now what's going to happen next all happens automatically. It's going to convert the file. We see the converted file. It's now going to open this file in Affinity automatically. You don't have to do anything, because that's what we asked it to do. You can also have it just do conversions, and you can save the IDMLs and open them yourself in Affinity or in Adobe InDesign or even QuarkXPress, whatever you want to switch to. Once again, if you want to go to Canva itself, check out markzportal.markzware.com. Not now. We'll just show you how it works. And once again, we don't have to do anything. It's just going to automatically open the file, and there we go. We have a totally new file. Sure, you have to do some font replacements. That's normal in any file conversion. Substitute your fonts for the best alternative available, unless, of course, you have the original font files. Use those. But look at that. Everything right here. All your text. You get all your images. And they're fully customizable. I mean, you can, fully resize them and use them as needed. So what an amazing tool to help you very quickly convert your Publisher files right into Affinity. You see, we even honor transparency and the arrangement of the elements, the positioning. So just to show you, we can do the same with an InDesign file. We'll take an InDesign file, drop it right here, and it will now take the InDesign file, convert it, create the low-res images, and open it up in Affinity. There we go. We get this professional layout from Adobe InDesign now opened right up with a click in Affinity. So you can now get in there and do whatever edits you need to do, move stuff around, whatever it is, edit text. It's all live here, live text. Just amazing. So that's how easy it is to use OmniMarkz to convert your desktop publishing files into other file formats. In particular, to get your Publisher files into Adobe InDesign or your Microsoft Publisher files into Affinity. You see it, it's as easy as a click or two, and it works. For more information on Markzware's OmniMarkz, cruise on over to markzware.com today. Under OmniMarkz, choose OmniMarkz SE. That's the Windows version. The Mac version is simply called OmniMarkz. Two separate versions, Mac or Windows. It's that easy to convert your Microsoft Publisher files to help you transition away from Microsoft Publisher into an alternative like Affinity or Adobe InDesign. All right, buddy. David Dilling from Markzware, wishing you a great day. Take care.